All right, guys, you see the title of the thumbnail. We about to get busy over here. We about to step our salad game up and put a little Mexican twist on it. I'm gonna show you guys how to make taco pasta salad. Yep, get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Yes, I know it looks like a lot, but we are making a taco pasta, so it requires many ingredients, especially if you wanna make it right and get the maximum amount of flavor and crunch out of this baby here. So back here we have our ground beef. We have rotini pasta here. Now, if you want to use elbow macaroni, you can, or any short pasta works. We have some Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese here, sliced cherry tomatoes, some crushed Doritos here, some salsa, lime juice, sour cream, black beans, I rinsed them and drained them, some corn, a jalapeno chopped here, beef broth, a green bell pepper, red onion, taco seasoning, and here we have some chopped cilantro. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. We're going to bring up a pot of water to boil like we have right here. I'm just gonna add a little salt to this baby. And we're gonna add our rotini pasta here. And we're gonna cook this al dente according to the box instructions, all right? Now let's move over to our cutting board. All right, to get started, we're gonna prepare our ground beef. Gonna add it here to our pan. And I meant move over to our cooktop, not our cutting board. And we're gonna get this chopped up, or broken up, not chopped up, broken up, crumbled up until it's brown and cooked all the way through. All right, so we are good. Our ground beef is brown. We're gonna pause this and we're gonna drain off any fat that we have, and we're gonna come right back. All right, so now we're gonna unpause our heat. We're gonna add our taco seasoning along with our beef broth, and we're gonna let this simmer, get it mixed in and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. All right, we're gonna let that baby simmer. We're gonna come back. All right, so we're 5 minutes in. We're gonna go ahead and turn our heat off. We're gonna remove our pan. We're gonna let this cool slightly. And while that cools, we're gonna head over to our cutting board. All right, so in this next step, we're gonna take a small bowl. We're gonna add our sour cream here, along with our salsa and our lime juice. And we're gonna get at a good mix. Should look something like this. All right, let's set this aside. So now let's start assembling our salad, and we're gonna start by adding our pasta to this dish or this bowl. We're gonna come behind that with our ground beef, our tomatoes, our black beans, our corn, our onions, bell peppers, jalapenos, this optional. We're gonna get this mixed in to get it combined. All right, so it looks like we got it mixed pretty well. We're gonna add our dressing, which is our sour cream mixture. And guys, you can also substitute this with ranch dressing if you want to, or French dressing. It's totally up to you. To me, this aligns with the whole taco theme, the sour cream and the salsa, so I'm gonna stick with that. And you're gonna add next the cilantro if you choose to. I know some people don't like cilantro, so you can leave it out if you want to. It's totally up to you. Now we're gonna go in and we're gonna get this baby mixed again, making sure we get it all coated. All right, so the next thing we're gonna add is our cheese. We're gonna get that mixed in and incorporate it. All right, so it looks like we're good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some saran wrap. I'm gonna cover this up, refrigerate it for 30 to 45 minutes. Once we get it to the temperature you want, I like mine's cold. We're gonna come back, get it plated up, and jump into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Taco pasta salad. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. So y'all already know what time it is. We're gonna do quality control here at this moment. And look at our taco pasta salad. Oh man, taco pasta salad. Oh my, man, this looking good, man. Looking delicious, absolutely. And it's cold like I like it too. Oh man. Now, that's a big bite. Oh man. Listen, this ain't a light salad. This is a full meal right here. Something definitely to switch up every now and then. It's definitely an alternative to taco pasta. So until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, but he got some good taco pasta here. I just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace.